Connection. Everyone wants to stay connected to the people and things that matter most, no matter where they are. Most public and private networks struggle to keep up with the increasing demand for wireless connectivity. Newer, data-hungry devices are requiring more and more bandwidth. The Internet of Things has become the Internet of everything, connecting people, devices, and systems to each other. Over the next 4 years, the number of connected devices per person is expected to double. Is your network prepared for this type of growth? Forward-thinking businesses invest in a Wi-Fi network that can scale with demand. They recognize that a fast wireless network can increase customer satisfaction. They look for new technologies that can best utilize a strong network, so they can offer even more value and gain a competitive advantage over the rest of the field. Big Wireless is a leading provider of fast, reliable Wi-Fi networks for tomorrow's needs. For over 25 years, we've designed, installed, and managed large-scale indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi networks that you can rely on. Big Wireless, connecting what matters most.